Hello, during this video, I will give a specific example of market research within ReferenceUSA. And I just wanted to point out at this time that under the Learning Center tab within ReferenceUSA, under Training Guides, there are additional resources to help you learn how to use this database or refresh your mind as to how to get the results you want from the databases. To navigate back to the appropriate landing page, click back to dashboard, and that will get you to the databases that you want to examine. Under Learning Center, there are other tools, but just be aware that the video library contains videos that are produced by other ReferenceUSA users, like other libraries. So while they might contain information that is helpful to you, they won't necessarily look the same way that our product does or our access does. So just be aware that there's some differences. So for example, we have covered how to log in to the Bellingham Public Library website to access the databases, and when other libraries do that, their process is going to look or sound a little different perhaps. So just keep that in mind if you choose to use the videos. The training guides are designed specifically by ReferenceUSA staff, and it will look very similar to what it looks like within our databases. So that being said, if you need refreshers on how to log in to ReferenceUSA, please refer to the earlier videos. And on we go. So clicking on US businesses and then clicking on advanced search, you get to the tool that allows you to do some NAICS searching. NAICS stands for North American Industry Classification System, and that is a system that is used by the federal statistical agencies for statistical data. And it allows businesses to do market research. There's many uses for the NAICS, and what is done is it's just compiled so that people can gain access to that information. So if you're not sure what codes apply to your business, that's okay. You can type in a keyword search. So say you're interested in opening a brewery in Bellingham. You can type in a word and you can pick and choose which NAICS you think might apply to you. So I'm going to click on beverage wholesale, pubs, beer and ale wholesale perhaps, brewers. We're going to start with that, and I'm going to update my count. Oh, I know what I forgot. I forgot to tell them which region I was interested in. So I'm going to go by geography here, and I'm going to select city, state. And I'm going to say Bellingham. And I'm going to select Bellingham, Washington. And then I'm going to update my count again. So part of what I'm doing is I'm tallying my expectations of how many records might be feasible with what apps actually appears. 24,000 plus records is a bit large. So I'm going to go ahead and click on update count, and now I'm getting 16 records. If that seems too small, you might want to broaden your search to a wider region. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to click on view results so that I can show you the next step here. Say you are interested in the specific breweries. So you don't really want to take a look at the records of a distribution, a beverage distribution center. You want to look at the breweries. You can do that by selecting the records and then clicking on details. So now you're looking at a set of 6 records, 6 businesses, and you can click through each business and navigate that up here on the upper left-hand side. You can scroll down, and there's all sorts of information embedded here. This is sort of a table of contents, a talk, that can help you see what information is tucked away in this full record. And if you want to see who else they consider competitors, you can click down here and then take a look at this information here. So say you were curious as to why Soy House is considered a competitor of this business. You can click on that link and it brings you into that record, and you can look at the NAICS codes. Oh, I get it, full service restaurants, which a lot of breweries combine their beer with full service restaurants. So that's a way for you to kind of think about, have you captured all the NAICS that apply to your business concept or not? Is taking a look and kind of daisy chaining through the records. In order to navigate back to your earlier list, you just click on the back button up in the upper right-hand corner. And I would encourage you to explore. Type in a business that's of interest to you, and then take a look at the records that come up and see what kind of information is listed here. Okay, so that's a brief overview of how Reference USA can provide information to you about your regional competitors. And thanks so much for your time.